Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest gadgets on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you smartphone photography lovers out there. It's the Selvim phone camera lens kit. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes this lens kit stand out and why it's considered one of the best zoom camera smartphone accessories available. Let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's take a quick look at what the Selvim phone camera lens kit has to offer. This kit is a complete package for enhancing your smartphone photography game. It includes 4 fantastic lenses, a 22x telephoto lens, a 235 degrees fisheye lens, a 0.62x wide-angle lens, and a 25x macro lens. Along with these lenses, you'll find a flexible clamp, a phone clip, an upgraded metal tripod, an eye cup, a cleaning cloth, and a storage case. It's designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, and it's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, including iPhone, Samsung, and more. Let's start with the 22x telephoto lens. This lens is a game changer when it comes to capturing distant subjects. Whether you're at a sporting event or just trying to zoom in for vivid close-up shots, this lens delivers outstanding results. It's like having a high-quality zoom camera right on your smartphone. Next up, we have the 235 degrees fisheye lens. This one's all about fun and creativity. With the fisheye lens, you can capture unique circular and mystical photos that add a whole new dimension to your photography. It's perfect for those artistic shots that stand out from the crowd. Moving on to the 0.62x wide-angle lens. If you love capturing wide landscapes or want to fit more into your frame without distortion, this lens is your go-to choice. It provides stunning perspectives with virtually no distortion, giving you breathtaking shots every time. Now, let's talk about the 25x macro lens. If you're into capturing intricate details with precision focus, this lens is a must-have. It's perfect for those close-up shots of flowers, insects, or any subject where you want to see the tiniest details with razor-sharp clarity. One of the standout features of the Selvim phone camera lens kit is its quality. These lenses feature a 10-10 multi-resistant coating that minimizes ghosting, flaring, and smears. You can say goodbye to frustrating photo retakes, and leave behind wonderful memories in your brilliant photos. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of smartphones, making it accessible to many users, whether you're on iOS or Android. Now, here's an excellent bonus, the travel case. The kit includes a travel case that stores and protects all lens components snugly and safely. It's incredibly portable, making it ideal for people who love photography on the go. Whether you're hiking, climbing, or traveling, this lens kit is your perfect companion. Before we wrap things up, here are a few user tips. When using the lenses, make sure to first fix the clip on your phone, adjust the ring to align with your phone's camera, and finally, rotate the lens to secure it in place. It's that simple. And for the macro lens, using your phone's focus lock feature can help you get those super sharp close-up shots. So, there you have it, folks. The Selvim phone camera lens kit is an outstanding addition to your smartphone photography arsenal. With its 4 high-quality lenses, durability, and versatility, it's no wonder this kit is considered one of the best zoom camera smartphone accessories out there. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or a professional, this kit has something for everyone. If you're interested, we've left a link in the description below for you to check it out. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more exciting tech reviews. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Product Critique. Until next time, happy shooting!